Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with two essentials: charged gear and the right tips. First, charge the case to full and the buds to at least 50% so pairing won't interrupt. Next, try the included ear tip sizes: small, medium, large, and choose the one that gives a tight seal without discomfort. That seal is critical for bass and noise reduction. Once done, open the case near your phone with Bluetooth on. The Beats Fit Pro will prompt pairing automatically, so accept it to begin. Now focus on insertion and shaping the fit. Hold the stem forward, insert the tip, then rotate the bud back toward your ear canal. This creates the ergonomic hook and improves stability. Apply gentle pressure to seat the tip. You should feel a snug, even seal without pain. Use the built-in fit test or play a bass-heavy track to evaluate low-end response and isolation. If sound is hollow or weak, try one tip size larger or smaller. Then repeat insertion until the seal feels solid. Finish by confirming function and comfort. Wear both buds and testicle. Switch between active noise canceling and transparency to ensure mics and modes work as expected. Make small micro adjustments while walking. Motion reveals looseness. Then open the Beats app to fine-tune EQ and button mapping so the controls match your use. If you encounter audio dropouts or pairing issues, reset the case by holding the button for about 15 seconds. Repair after reset, and the problem usually clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.